awesome SaaS Pro Facebook group. We also have guides in here. We give away lots of free stuff. So be sure to jump in our Facebook group, facebookgroup.com/groups/SaaS Pro, and we'll see you inside the group. If you are an admin of a Facebook group, then this video is for you. You want to be able to post into those Facebook groups that you admin and schedule those posts so that way you don't have to worry about keeping your group active. You may have already connected all of your groups, but you may see this little triangle exclamation point saying that your group needs the lead connector. So in order to post to a group, you have to approve the lead connector app. Now, inside your system, you can click on this. And when you click on that exclamation point, you can look up lead connector right inside. And when you type in lead connector, you can click on this and add it. This should automatically add the app to your group. And the best way to check that out is by scrolling down to the footer of the page and looking for apps. When you click on the little pencil, you'll see that the lead connector is added, which means now you can officially post inside of that group. Let's go ahead and add it. It's been added, and then it will show up here, ready to post. Now, you're going to see publish as. Right now, currently with the Social Planner software is that you can post as yourself into the group. But what's coming is to be able to publish as your page. As soon as this feature is available, you will see your page here, and you will be able to select how you want to publish to that group as a page or as a person, meaning you. Well, what does publish as a page mean? Well, that means that you have allowed your page to be an admin of a group. So you want to make sure that you join the group that you are in as your business page. And then what you want to do next is make them an admin of the group. You will go into your group and you will look for your members. And inside the members, you just go to members and then you would pick that page. And when you find the page, you would just easily click on the three dots and invite as an admin. So once you have invited that page as an admin and that page has been accepted and the page is now an admin of the group, the best way to check that is to go back to your business page. We'll use this one as an example. And you can see in the business page that you've created, when you select more, you'll see groups, and you should see that group that you've just added into your business page, which means your business page is an admin of these groups. This particular page, which is a podcast, is an admin of these two groups. Your business page would be an admin of your group or as many groups as you would like to add. If you get that set up correctly, then you're going to be ready as soon as this feature is available inside of your social planner to be able to allow you to publish as page or publish as you as the person. So it's coming soon. So keep an eye out for that inside of the social planner. But for now, you are all set up. Now you can also go into a group and any one of your groups. So if you don't see that link or something happened, you can always come into your Facebook group. And when you come down here on the left side, you'll see group settings. And inside of group settings, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on that pencil, and you can see the group added or hit add apps, and it'll take you right back to the group screen. And that is how easy it is to post as an admin inside of your Facebook group. So now you can start scheduling out those group posts and keep your group active.